Hi, in this video, we will see workspace and package in Java. So what is workspace and what is package? So if you go to this workspace, workspace is a folder where you can store your projects. Inside a workspace, you can create n number of projects. Means workspace is to group a set of related projects together that usually make up an application. So workspace in simple words, that is a folder. So inside the folder, you can create a number of projects. So if you go to means your disk, it might be C, D or whatever it is. So inside this, if I create a folder, that is I can say Java workspace. Okay. So this is a workspace. Inside this, I can create a number of projects. Means that project is also again, what is that? Again, a folder. Okay, so folder, I can say Java tutorial. Okay, so inside this, I can create another folder that is called a project again, Java learning, something like that. Okay, inside this, you can write your Java programs. Okay, simple terms, Java workspace is a what? Folder structure. Simple folder. It means high level root folder, you can say high level folder, root level folder. Inside this, you can create a number of projects. Okay. So what do you mean by package? Package is also a folder structure to segregate your programs or files into different folders to manage easily. So you can use them to structure your project and control visibility between different classes. This becomes necessary even in relatively small projects. Okay, so let's take an example of, you have a project. Inside the project, you have written 100 Java files. Okay, but 5 Java files related to one functionality, 5 Java files related to another functionality, and 10 Java files related to one functionality. So instead of clubbing all these things in a simple or single folder, you create different folders. So put these 5 into one folder. So if you see that folder, okay, this is related to this functionality, something like that, you will segregate, okay, to manage easily. So because of that, you will create packages. Okay, that is mandate. It's not mandatory, but the standard is you need to create at least one package to write your Java programs. Okay, so that is package. In high level, if you say workspace is a folder, package is also a folder. Okay, but the purpose is different. So package names are written in all lowercase to avoid conflict with the names of classes or interfaces. So that we have already seen in Java naming conventions. So the same thing here. But while you create a package, okay, there is a rule. So what is that? Again, everything will be in the lowercase. That is fine. But apart from that, companies use their reversed internet domain name to begin their package names. Okay, if you have your, use a simple com.example.mypackage for a package named my package created by a programmer at example.com. So I'm working in a company called example.com. Okay, otherwise I'm creating a project for example.com. Okay, that time, so the convention is you need to create a package structure in such a way that reversed internet domain means com.example. Inside that, you can create a number of projects that we discussed. You can create projects and you can segregate folders, but high level it will be com. If it is example.com, com.example. If it is google.com, com.google. facebook.com, com.facebook. Other packages. So that's how you need to follow. Okay, so this is called package. So package is also a folder structure. So what could be the possible interview questions here? So people may ask, what is workspace? What is package? Naming convention for the package. So reverse order of your internet domain. Okay, so this is all possible interview questions from this video. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.